How to unblock anyone on WhatsApp. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unblock anyone on WhatsApp, be it iOS or Android. So let's get started. So first of all, what you gotta do is simply open your WhatsApp application. So let's say you have blocked anyone and now you want to actually talk to them and you're not able to see their chat as well from where you can unblock easily. What you gotta do is simply head over to settings. And after that, you gotta head over to privacy over here. And then what you gotta do is scroll all the way down and click on contacts. Once you do so, you'll be able to see these two options. One is blocked, other is WhatsApp contacts. So you gotta click on blocked. And once you do so, you'll be able to see all of the numbers that you have blocked over here. So what you gotta do is simply scroll any of the contact to the left, which you wish to unblock, and you'll be able to see this unblock option appear. So what you're going to do is simply head over, click on unblock, and that specific person would be unblocked. And then you can search for their number and simply text them. So that was how you can unblock anyone on WhatsApp. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.